Today we're going to take a look at how RetroLab Pro can activate tailgate closing using the original Audi Q5. From factory, this Audi SQ5 does not support closing the rear lid with the key fob. You can open it, but closing simply isn't enabled. As you can see, the tailgate opens normally, but when we try to close it using the key fob, nothing happens. Now let's move over to the car and perform the activation. Here we have a laptop already connected to the vehicle using an ENet cable. The hood is open, which is required before starting the activation process. Let's switch on the ignition and activate the hazard lights. The hazard lights aren't required, it's simply a personal habit during activations. Back at the laptop, we press Connect. RetroLab Pro automatically reads the vehicle's VIN, verifies that it's registered, and then displays the available activations for this specific car. When we select the tailgate activation, a detailed description appears. This explains what the activation does, what to expect during the process, and what needs to be done before starting. Once everything is ready, we press Run. The activation process begins and completes in around 15 seconds. During this time, RetroLab Pro applies the required configuration directly to the vehicle. A confirmation message appears, showing that the activation was completed successfully. Now we switch off the ignition and head back to the rear of the car. Let's test the result. Using the key fob, the tailgate now closes. Let's open it again, and when we press and hold again, it closes exactly as expected. We'll repeat this a few times to clearly show that the function works consistently and reliably. Finally, from inside the vehicle, we can also operate the tailgate using the driver's door button. A single press opens the tailgate, and a single press closes it again. This is a full OEM-style activation. No additional hardware, no external modules, and no permanent modifications.